Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately by powering the Realme X off and removing the SIM tray and protective case. That prevents accidental shorting. Next, heat the rear panel gently to soften adhesive, then use a suction cup and plastic picks to lift the back. Once done, work around the perimeter slowly to avoid cracking. While you pry, support the pop-up module so it does not swing free. Make sure to wear an ESD strap and keep screws organized for reassembly later. With the back removed, take off any braces and the shielding plate to expose the pop-up motor and flex ribbon. This gives you a clear view of the mechanism. Once exposed, inspect the flex cable and connector for visible damage or dirt. Use a soft brush and isopropyl 90% to clean contacts carefully. Then manually actuate the slider by hand to feel for grinding or binding if the gear teeth are clogged. Remove debris with a toothpick and compressed air, while reassemble in reverse order after repair. If the flex cable was loose or dirty, reseat the connector and secure it. If damaged, replace it with a known good part. Reinstall shields and brackets, reconnect the battery, then power on the phone and test the pop-up camera from the camera app. Observe sound and movement. If it still fails, check motor continuity with a multimeter. If no continuity or motor stalls, the only reliable fix is replacing the motor assembly. If stuck mid-movement, power off and reseat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.